make sure you show that I have like the diagram of the loop. It's up on the top, up higher. I got the fucking diagram of the loop. And this love of mine, this, my Valentine. And days and nights would pass me by. I tell myself that I was waiting for the then she appeared, a love so fine. Shit, my Valentine. Alright, now I gotta plunge it up. I'm gonna try to get the dookie and go down, dude. Before I do anything else. Oh man, this is nasty shit. I had gloves, man. I'm gonna try to find those gloves out there when I do this shit. Always wear fucking protection, dude. Sorry, fucking shit. So I brought some more fucking like gloves with me from work and shit. They might be in my top dresser drawer shelf. Top dresser drawer. Yeah, I don't know, man. It does stink. Can you smell it from there, Israel?
Little bit, okay.
Okay, dude. Gotta make the fucking shit go down before I do anything else.
Nice.
We're gonna need to keep on doing this 3 more times. Fill the bowl up, plunging it down. Get rid of that fucking shit, dude. And she was right. This blood will run. I've never done this before, Israel, but I think it'll work. Do you believe it'll work? I don't know, man. I asked somebody if there's something I could just throw in, like a tablet or something, and dissolve this shit, like Drano. He said, no, man. I gotta fucking do this. I gotta keep on plunging it down, man. Ah. I think that's what I want to hear, dude. I think at this point I even want to like throw some cleaner in there and start cleaning it out a little bit. It's looking like a lot better now. This is it. Be right back. I think I got one in here. just rock me just
¿Es tuyo? Ah, wow. Ujú.
Oh man. Alright, I'm about ready to go ahead and like put the new thing on there, man, but I want to take a little break first.
Okay.
Okay? Um,
How you stop this?
hold on.